Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Today I have a package in my box. It came from the Minh Long post office. Let's see what's inside. Let me see. Whoa! This package, it's a gold package. Let's see what's inside. I can read the label. It says pig, orange pig, 9 centimeters. Wow! I waited for this package. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I've got a orange pig. Its golden ears are so beautiful. Its golden tail and hooves are very delicate. Here it has golden ears, golden tail, and golden hooves for good luck. Its body is orange. Let's see what's inside the package. Whoa! A little dinosaur. Come here. Take a look. It's a little dinosaur. A dinosaur that's called Ankylosaurus. I got a little package and a very big package. It came from since 1 year ago. And the dinosaur is kind of cute. Its armor back is made from something hard, like solids. This pig is made of crystals. I don't want to drop it. It's easy to break. I love this package. So I'll send them to you if you want next week. This pig is happy. Happy brings good luck. That's why Chinese people always said this sentence for starting the new year. Start the year with a laugh, then all the year will be happy. I'll send this pig to you next week. Right now, I will put it into the gold package. Here it goes. Safe. And dinosaur, I will put it out because it will scrape the pig. Bye for now. For watching more videos, you get a package just like this. Bye for now.